What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am going to be bringing you finally the updated dyno videos on the Lightning, kind of also wrap up the video on the built rear end in the S197. So I just want to kind of give you guys a walk around of these cars. You probably won't be able to hear the Coyote idling next to the Lightning. The Lightning's pretty loud. But we had a weird incident with the Lightning. It broke a rocker arm a couple days ago. Trick Flow overnighted me another one. We went through, we set all the valves, we just double checked everything was good. And we're hoping it was just a fluke part, but anyway, it's running great now. And both these cars are gonna get washed and test driven today. And then I'm gonna go harass Larry at ASSC Racing in Lake Villa so he can hopefully tune the blue one for us. So thank you so much for watching. Thanks for coming back to the channel. Subscribe down below and enjoy the final pulls on the Lightning. And I hope you guys enjoy the numbers we got. We did add a catch can to the Lightning. I'll show you guys. I'll pop the hood for you. But it sounds great. We did some trans tuning on it. It drives awesome. We're in the process of ordering a Circle D billet converter for it. That's kind of the next major step that we're going to be working on. So she's running good. We ran catch can from both corners up to here. So you can see a nice clean install. And it's out of the way, so when the blower's on, it'll still fit with the blower. But overall, I really like the setup that we put on this. And it's running good. It's just warming up still, so it idles a little rough until it warms all the way up, but she's doing good. Anyway, let's cut to the fun stuff. And here was dyno day at ASSC Racing a couple weeks back, and we're pretty happy with the numbers. So anybody who has guessed, I know I post on Facebook and in our Facebook group to guess the numbers. So the first people who guess the closest will be getting reached out to. I'll tag you in the post on this video so we can make sure that we get you that swag that I promised. So thank you guys for watching once again. Subscribe down below. See you in a bit. Lightning is leaving the shop finally. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I can't believe it made 380 horsepower. We're really happy with that number. More to come, obviously. We're going to put a blower on it. I guess that's the main power thing. Right now we are working on ordering a torque converter, a Punisher valve body, cooler, deep pan. We're really gonna beef up the trans. We're gonna build the rear end, and yeah, enjoy. And I can hear all the rocks going into the quarter panel right now, all the way down the street. That thing has Caltrax, it's a leaf spring, obviously it's a truck. It has Caltrax, it has adjustable shocks, and it has like a 28 by, I don't know, it's huge. It's a 315 60 R15 ET Street, and I think it's even a bias ply. So, I mean, it's got a lot of meat out back, so no surprise that it's hard to spin the tires. It did not spin the tires at all in factory form, not even close. So, happy to see that. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in to the channel once again. We're happy with the Lightning. Made 380 horsepower, 360 foot-pounds, and we spin that thing 6,500 RPM, completely stock bottom end. Didn't even check the rings or nothing. And we did look at the bearings to make sure they're good. And I'm be excited to see what the blower takes it to. So, subscribe down below. We'll see you guys in the next one.